Hi friends, it's Cheryl, the Wandering House Sitter, and it's the Car Life edition. Right now I am getting set to sleep in the back of my Ford Escape because sometimes I don't get back-to-back house sits and I might have a day or two gap in between, and then I have to find somewhere to sleep. And the cheapest place to do it is in the back of my car. So we have a bit of car life. I will just give you a little peek around at what's in the back of my car. And I have a headlamp that is providing light for me right now. It's just over there. I don't think I want to give you a big glare of light, but I will move the headlamp so it's not the main star in the video. Okay, let's just take a little look around at how I've got my car set up. I haven't quite finished setting up the windows yet for the night, though I do have the back window covers on. I just haven't done the front yet. Got my sleeping bag here, and I'm not sure if everybody's seen something. It looks like, I don't know if it's dust or if it's insects, but I swear I don't see anything moving around in the car, but it looks like there's something on the video. So the box sits here, the bin with my shoes on top of it. That's where I keep all my foodstuffs. I don't have a cooler, so that is just dry goods that I have in there. Right beside it, this is my toiletries bag. I've got shampoo and body wash. At least I hope I have. Yeah, my shampoo's further in there, that's okay. My hat. This is my first aid kit here. It's an old horse tack. A lot of people keep their horse grooming supplies in here. I bought it at the Horse Barn Thrift Shop. That is a charity that helps the horses that have been, rescued in British Columbia. Oh, I don't usually keep pop in my car, but I did buy this strawberry lemonade ginger ale. So I just have some in here, but I don't think I'll get thirsty tonight. I usually might put a can or two in the fridge of wherever I'm house sitting. My new Kindle Paperwhite. I will be reading that tonight. In this bin, I keep all my clothes. Not too exciting, but all my clothes are in here. As everybody knows, everything that I own travels with me at all times. Well, not quite everything I own. I do have a horse. He doesn't fit in here. Now, just trying to avoid the glare from my headlamp, I do have a hammock that sits just over between the front and the back seats. And I keep mostly hats up there, oddly enough, sunscreen, and some towels. I don't really keep anything in the front seat when I am driving, but when I'm sleeping in the back, I do put, these are just my window coverings I haven't put on yet, but I also keep my laptop backpack is in the front seat right now while I'm asleep. But usually I like to keep my front seats clear. But at nighttime, stuff that I don't need back here fits quite nicely. Here is just my dirty laundry bag. Underneath here, I have a backpack under there. That's where I used to keep my laptop backpack, but I have this bigger backpack that I was using for going around Europe, and that's where I keep it right now. Same with the other side. The other side I'm not gonna, well, this is my pillow. My pillow, I keep all my outerwear, my sweaters, my jackets. Everything is inside this pillowcase, and then I can sleep with my head on it at night. Beneath it is another backpack. I use that in the Camino de Santiago, and beneath that I keep my footwear. Cowboy boots, sandals, the like. So anyway, that is just a quick view at my car life. And this is a Ford Escape that I am sleeping in. Sleeping bag, pillow. Got a fair amount of room in here, but I don't have an icebox cooler. Don't really need one. Whoops, seems like that might be popping loose. Yes, I'm not too much of a crafty person. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the little tour of my Ford Escape that I live here in the back and keep all of my life. All my worldly belongings are back here with me. Anyway, if you enjoy car life, house sitting, budget travel, senior budget travel, being a nomad, please subscribe to my channel. This is Cheryl, the Wandering House Sitter. Bye for now.